All right, so this video right here is going to show you start to finish how to make a sublimation t-shirt. All right, so make sure you tune in, check this out, watch the whole video because I might throw some little hints that you might never knew. So after you unbox your, I use a Sawgrass, all right, sublimation printer. Then I have the little app that I've downloaded, and so it's called Creative Studio. And then I also have another app that you have to download that's called Sawgrass Print Manager. All right, so just real quick, I went made this or whatever in Photoshop, and now this is what I'm gonna put on the shirt. And so what I did was I exported it, and now I'm going to click on that. I'm about to sign in. All right, from signing in, next thing that I'm about to do is start creation. Now what I like to use is I'm about to do a medium shirt, actually 2 medium shirts and 1 small shirt. So with the medium shirt, as long as it's not youth, it's all kind of the same. So you can put solar short sleeve and shirt, and there it is. I have it favorized, so I could just hit the heart, but I want you to actually see it. So you click on that. From there, you'll be able to do your design. So design. So I'm going to galleries, and then I'm gonna go to my images. All right. And so as you see, it's already right here. But if it wasn't right there, what you would do is you would go upload image. You will upload, and you will click on what it was. All right. So that's my draft one. Boom. I'm gonna hit save. It's gonna save it on there to the list, and now I can add it. All right, and from there, if you look down here, it shows there's men's solar short sleeve small print area. All right, and so it's for small, medium, large, XL, and 2XL. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna add my grid to my lines, know how far I can go, and I'm gonna go until it almost disappears. Okay, if you see right here, it disappeared, so I'm gonna bring it over just a little bit. All right, now this is ideal to understand where it's gonna be at the shirt, but understand that you're the one that's gonna be putting it on the shirt. All right, so I think that looks great. So what I'm about to do now is I'm going to actually, let me double check it. I want to print off 3 at a time because I don't want to wait too long. All right, so if you can't see it because it's a little blurry, this is what it really looks like. So hopefully the customer likes it. I already got pre-approved off the first draft. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit print. All right, so I'm gonna hit print. It's gonna bring me to the screen. It tells me right now that is offline. It should not be offline. We had a lightning strike, so I unplugged everything, but it shouldn't be. It should be good. All right, so you have it on there. I always use US print. Legal print is a little bit longer paper, but I use the US letter. And from there, this is just perfect how it is. So I'm gonna hit print. Now I should change the number of copies to 3, but I can do it under the print manager. That's no problem. All right, so you see it sent the file to the print manager. So it might take a second, but the print manager will pop up. All right, while we're waiting, I create this shirt. Boom, I love it. It has my logo on it. Supporting breast cancer awareness. Okay, so here it is. All right, so this is what you want. You want to have polyester. All right, if you're doing a different thing, that's fine. You can choose whatever you do, but if you're doing a t-shirt, just try to keep it polyester. Quality, of course, you want good quality. You're not worried about the speed of it. All right, everything else is good. If you need to make other copies, I will click on jobs, and I will just change the number of copies. And then I'm just going to change that bad boy to 3. I'm going to need 3 copies. There's nothing wrong with it. Everything's good. All right, and so now I'm going to hit print. So from there, while it's printing, let's transition to the full screen so you'll be able to see how everything is working. All right. All right, so I'm printing it off. While it's printing off, I'm gonna turn my heat press on. All right, I got my So I like to put my little baggies, put the shirts in baggies. So I have my baggies. I have my logo. All right, let me print out quick. All right, I also have the size. I'm using one small, 2 medium sizes. Boom, just like that. All right, I got my shirts. All right, so now what I'm about to do next is I'm going to heat press the shirt for about 5 seconds to knock the wrinkles out. All right, it's going to be about 300, I'm probably 400 for about maybe 10 seconds, and then from there we'll just pick it up. So give me a second. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock the moisture out by putting it on the heat press. All right, I'm gonna do this. It's about 400 degrees. For about, I'd say 15 seconds. Alright, next I'm gonna get what I just got off the printer. Alright, I'm gonna put it on a shirt where I want it at, and then I'm gonna use heat tape, which you don't have to, but I'm gonna use heat tape to figure out where I want it so that way it doesn't move. So now the moisture's gone, wrinkles are gone. Looks great. Alright. I like the little extra, that way it doesn't bleed into this. So if it bleeds in there, that's cool, because that'd be my little thing to keep the shirt from getting, or the ink from getting onto this. So it's a little trick that I do. Alright, lift that, boom. Alright. And you can see that it transferred from here to here. Alright, so now I'm going to fold this bad boy. So if you want to watch me fold it, cool. If not, then thank you for watching this video. Alright, so if I'm folding it, here it is. Got this off of Amazon. Alright, pretty cool overall. So, I'm gonna grab his shirt, place it like so, fold it, boom, 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 so easy, so simple, unbag it. Alright, there you go. Appreciate you watching this video, and bitching out.